Welcome back to the Tuesday Tech Tip from the Kane County ROE. My name is Phil Morris, Director of Operations and Technology. This summer, we'll be doing the Google Search Summer Series. Yes, say that 5 times fast. Ever been at the store and wondered if this product was available cheaper somewhere else? Do you have an image and wonder what it is and if it appears anywhere else? Looking at a document in another language and need to translate? Or need assistance with your homework? Well, download Google on your smartphone and give Google Lens a try. When you open the Google app on your iPhone, there will be a usual search box. On the right side of it will be a microphone image and a camera image. On an Android phone, you'll need to use the app called Lens, which usually is pre-installed. Below the search box are also some buttons like Shop for Products, Translate Text, as well as other ones you can experiment with. To activate the lens is as simple as clicking on the button for the function you would like, and then point your phone at the item you would like to purchase or look up, and click the search button. Then Google will do its thing, and you will see the results. In this tip, we'll be using the lens to assist with identifying an object in nature such as a plant or bird. First, open Google, then click on the little camera image on the right side of search box. Then click on Search with your camera. Find the image and take the photo. Google will then identify that image for you. On a recent trip, I needed to quickly translate some text and was able to do that by using a lens as well. For this, it is easiest from the Google homepage to click on Translate Text button. The camera will immediately come up and you can hover over the text to translate or take a photo. Our next tip in a couple of weeks will continue the Google Search Summer Series. Remember to visit knroe.org/TuesdayTechTip for more tips and resources. I always appreciate sharing on all social media platforms.